Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I try to clean this off a little, and you can see here, if it ever focuses, that there's a little screw at the top here. And this looks like it's glued down a bunch. So what I'm gonna do, it ain't gonna work. So we're gonna leave that there. I'm gonna leave it there and just try to scrape around to get a lot of this old washer off. And I have a bunch of washers here, like a bunch of washers. Wasn't sure which one I would need, so I just got a bunch of them. But I really hope that this is the issue and I can go ahead and fix it. I'll probably change out this other black washer as well, just because I'm in here already, so you can see that's coming down a little bit. Looks pretty disgusting, but that's where I am right now. Yeah, I'll go ahead and change this little guy out too. It looks pretty gross. Looks like this just slides off the end, and I'm pretty sure I have something like this in that little box, so that's what I'll go with. All right, I'll be back after I scrape all this off with a knife. Okay, so I've scraped all of that off. I don't know why it won't focus. There it is. Scraped all that off. I found an O-ring that looks like it might match it pretty well. So I'm just gonna pop that on there if I can. Of course, every time you say I'm just gonna do something, it's harder than you thought. Okay, so it's on there. But it's a little bit crooked. You see how it went down in there on the last one? Pretty sure all of it's supposed to go down in there. So I'm gonna mush it up against something. Cowgirl handiwork. Oh wait, no, I'm getting it. I'm getting it with my nail. Maybe use a flathead for this, y'all. Yeah, look at it. Woo! So this is what it looks like now. There it is. Okay. It looks really good. I'm gonna see if I have one of these in the box. If I don't, it's okay because it looks like it's in pretty good shape, but just since I was in here anyway, I wanted to go ahead and change it out. But I'm gonna look and see and I'll be back. All right, y'all. So of course I didn't have one, but like I said, this looks pretty good, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna put it right back down in here. Just like that. Screw it in by hand first. Alright. And then I'm gonna tighten it as much as I can. It looks like it's going down in there pretty good. And that's all. Okay, tight as it can go. Now, we're gonna put everything back in reverse order, right? So this guy came first. And this was on top of it. So I'm gonna go here. Tighten it by hand. Then I'm gonna tighten it by this. And let me know in the comments if I'm tightening these things too much. I just don't want this water to flow all over my floor. So y'all let me know, child, because I don't know. Alright, she tight as she can go. Yeah, baby. We looking like we getting somewhere now, honey. Alright. And then this little guy came off of there as well. It also has a little O-ring in there, but that one looks really good, so I'm not going to bother it again. The O-ring goes down, y'all. Take that back out so you can see it. So you see a little O-ring inside there, and the other has nothing. I'm going to put the O-ring down. Get your finger out of there. Again, I'm trying to hand tighten. Then I'll finish up this little dude. That looks good. Then we're going to come back and just put this guy back on. So, of course, this goes first. Okay. So now I'm just trying to see if I can loosen this baby by hand. So I did kind of crank it down. Ooh, honey child. Didn't I crank it? Ooh. Okay, girl. Come on out now. Stop playing. Okay. Okay. What you doing? Hey. So this one's kind of hard to turn too. I was just really trying to check and make sure that they were kind of like the same. Woo! Here we go, y'all. I'm gonna put this old thing back up there. This is the hose. And again, I like to tighten with this old guy. Again, y'all tell me what's up in the comments, because I don't know, child. I'm leaving this in here. All this is going down into the washer's drain. So when I turn on that main valve, with having this closed all the way down, when I turn on that main valve, if water does still come through here, then it's going to go right down into the drain and it'll be fine. I'm going to turn on the valve and y'all let me know if y'all see some water. BRB. Oh, ham sandwich. There's still water flowing through here. even though I have it closed. Oh! Oh! I didn't have it all the way closed. I think I fixed it. I'm just getting the hose water out. Yeah! Okay, so I turned the main valve on like low, but what I'm gonna do is turn it up high and see if the hose starts jumping again. But we'll see. I'm gonna put this back down in here, and y'all let me know what you see. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all just wait a minute, because I gotta put y'all up here so you can see me. Y'all stop playing. I just fixed my water in one of my rental properties. Like, girl, do you know that we can do anything? What? I just fixed my water. It's quiet. It was so loud before, and y'all saw where that hose was like really jumping. I can't believe I just fixed this. Well, thank y'all for joining me. I'm getting on out of here. I'm going to fix the next thing.